Hey everybody, it's Craig back to here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can match the color grade of any movie quickly and easily in Davinci Resolve. All right, let's get started. All right, here we are inside Davinci Resolve. And to get to this page, just look at the bottom here and click on the color tab. Now, in order for this to work, you'll need the clips that you want to color grade, but also you'll want examples that you want to match. So a good place to go is called Film Grab. So just Google Film Grab. It's film-grab.com. And there's a lot of different movies here, and basically you can search them from artist or category or alphabetically, say films. So if you have a film that you have in mind that you like the color grade from, then you can search for it right here. Now let's just pick one randomly, and then I'll show you how it works. So let's say we wanted to go with Alien 3. So once you click on that, you'll see there's a lot of different clips from the movie. So it helps if the clip that you want to color grade match is similar. So for example, if you're outside, pick an outside clip. So if you're inside, pick an inside clip. Also too, similar lighting would help, similar backgrounds. You get the idea. Pick something that's not totally out there as far as how you want it to look. So here's an image here. So for example, all you would do is say, save image as, save it to your hard drive. And then what you want to do is import it into Davinci Resolve. So I've gone ahead and I've picked some images. I've got a James Bond clip here. I've got just a sort of hazy day. Then I've got this from the Blade Runner. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to this clip. So again, I'm in the color tab. I have a node up here. I'm going to hit Option S on the Mac, and I'm going to apply it to this clip. So all I have to do is you can see here in the clips column. If you don't see that, just click clips and you'll see them pop up. I have that. All I have to do is click on the clip I want to match, and you can see that it looks red like this. Then I right click and I look for shot match to this clip. I click that, and then it takes the color grade from that clip, the best that it can do, and it puts it on here. Now obviously it's not perfect. Now one thing we can do, I'll just show you really quickly, is if you come down here, you can see it's sort of like a square with a circle. It's the key, node key. If you go to key output and you go left, you can reduce the effect of that color grade. And if you go right, you can increase it. So you can play with the opacity, so a lot like something in Photoshop. Now also too, the node before this, you can make color grade adjustments, or you can put a node after and tweak the color grade a little more. So we'll create another node, Option S. And then on this one, what we can do is we can go to the color tab here, and we can make some additional adjustments to anything we want. Exposure, if we want to bring in more of the red color, say for example, we can do that there. We can boost that up, and we could just do it on all channels if we want it. So you can do the regular type of color grading in Davinci Resolve on top of the color match that you've just done. Anyway, it's a quick, easy way to sort of get closer to a color match that you want to copy. So once again, Film Grab or any place on the web basically that has an image that you like the color grade from, you import it into Davinci, and then you just click the clip and then you right click. So let's just get rid of these. I'll just do it one more time for you. So Option S on the Mac, we're highlighted there. We've got our clip, and let's say we want to match it to James Bond. I'm going to click the Command key on the Mac, and you can see we've got this red highlighted box. Again, right click and shot match to this clip. It kind of matches this clip a little bit better. I think the Blade Runner is a little bit extreme as far as the color grade. And then from here, we could tweak it a little further. And so to make that easier, another thing you can do is if we come up here and we hit split screen, and then I right click here and I say split screen, and I say selected clips. Now you can see we see these side by side. So I can look at these two a little closer, and I can say, well, the sky's not as teal as this one. It's close. And then from here, I can tweak the color grade, add a little more teal to the sky. In future videos, we'll go a little deeper with the color grading section of Davinci Resolve. So stick around for those. All right, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It helps this video get more views. Also, feel free to share it if you think it'll help someone. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, just hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification, and you'll get updates when my next video goes live. Now, if you have any comments or questions, you can post them down below, or if you have any ideas of videos you'd like to see in the future, just post those down below in the comments section. Thanks again for watching this video. It's Craig back to here. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.